Hi, hello, and welcome to this course. My name is Radu Velcea. I'm an entrepreneur from the beautiful city of Bucharest in Romania. I own a small company, training company in IT and online marketing, and I use Wunderlist for managing my projects, my tasks, my life, and basically getting the stuff done, as Wunderlist also says on its front page. So here we are on Wunderlist.com, the homepage of the site. Wunderlist is maybe the best software out there for organizing your projects, your grocery lists, sharing them with your partner. I don't know, maybe saving some movies to watch later, or to read an article later. As you can see here, I also have a widget for Chrome, so I can quickly add pages that I want to read later in Wunderlist. We'll talk about that a little bit later. So let's see what we have here on the home page. First of all, it says that we can plan for anything, and my God, that is so true. If you're planning a holiday, if you're planning a vacation, if you are having a new job or a new project you want to work with, Wunderlist is the best tool out there for that kind of organization. Wunderlist makes it super easy to get stuff done, and it really is easy. Most of the times people are running away from such kind of software because they think it takes them too much to add the projects and to manage them. Wunderlist is very easy to update, it's very easy to assign, it's very easy to set reminders, and we will see a little bit later how to do just that. Of course, you can get reminders anytime for any projects. If you want to be reminded of a project at 9 a.m. in the morning, or 12 noon, or in the afternoon, you can set the reminders whenever you want. Of course, a great advantage of Wunderlist is that you can collaborate with anyone. You can share your lists and your projects with your colleagues, with friends, or family. For instance, I share my projects with my colleagues. We are a small team here, and my household list or groceries, I share them with my wife. Of course, you can access Wunderlist from anywhere. I use it on my Android phone, on my Android tablet, and on my laptop. Here is the print screen for how it looks on a phone or a tablet, in portrait mode or in landscape mode, and here behind we see it on a Mac. Here are some key features of Wunderlist. I promise you that we'll talk of every one of that, or every one of them, and you will see that you can also use it at its max capabilities. So these are not just things that Wunderlist can do, but you won't use them daily. Every single option here, you will use it in your creating a project, or setting a grocery list, or whatever your idea is. Of course, you can sign up to Wunderlist newsletter to get updates on the mail. So this is the homepage of Wunderlist. Again, please let me tell you that I'm very excited to create this course with you, and I really hope you will get the most of this class. So I'll see you in a short while.